we headed to one of my favorite places on earth, the Wyoming High Country Lodge deep in the Bighorn Mountains. The lodge is snow machine access only in the winter, and they have this badass truck on tracks to bring guests to and from the lodge. We caught up with our friends as they were heading to the lodge. We quickly dropped off the gear and went for a ride to get a lay of the land and check the snow conditions. It was also really nice to catch up with old friends. The main reason for this visit is to produce a snow kite edit with Skydio. The Skydio 2 Plus is an incredible autonomous filming drone. It features market-leading obstacle avoidance and subject tracking. All of the shots throughout this edit are shot in the Skydio 2 Plus, which is super cool watching it work. Of course, we stayed out a little later than we should have, and then got stuck in a meadow on the way home.
So we started off right. We're like 2 hours in. We're already stuck. Good work, boys and girl.
Being stuck in 2 hours, we made it pretty far.
I'm surprised.
1, 2, 3.
We thought you were like jumping into your knees, like trying to pretend that it was so deep, and I stepped off and I was like, nope, it's that deep.
Thankfully, we made it back to the lodge safe.
What's up, guys?
Good morning.
How's everybody doing?
So good.
Excellent. Good night's sleep.
Oh yeah.
It was an experience. I like laid down and then just gone for like 8 hours.
Yeah.
Didn't even move.
Love that.
I opened my eyes, it was like 8 hours later. Same exact
The next
position.
morning, we started off with a solid breakfast and then headed out to go for a ride. This is my good friend Anna Tedesco. She's a total badass, pro skier, pilot, kiteboarder, and overall just wonderful human being.
Bye.
If we actually fought, I would be freaking crap out of it. I got ski boots on, boy. You better watch yourself.
Right in the kneecap.
I think she may be a little overconfident in her ability to kick my ass. We headed out to the snow kite zone. The snow was so good in the meadow, I decided to rip it up on the snowmobile a little bit. I came up on this mellow drop above the road and decided I would try to go slow and land on the deepest part of the landing, as the snow is pretty wind scoured over here. This was a huge mistake. The sled landed directly on top of me, pinning me beneath the snow.
Hey, I need help.
Even though I was pinned for only about 30 seconds, it was completely terrifying, and I reacted totally different than I expected to.
Hey guys, I need some help.
Thankfully, the crew had eyes on me and got to me in under 30 seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna just chill for a minute. Hold on. I'm alright. Got the shot.
You got the shot.
Oh, I did it fully tomahawked and landed on top of me and crunched my lower back.
Right before that happened, I looked at him, I was like, dude, he's like right at the edge of a drop off. Does he know that? And then you went up. And I was like,
Is the sled okay?
it's great. Are you okay? Yeah.
I hurt my low back, but it's just a muscle thing. Yeah, like full on, like me into the snow.
I pulled my back, glutes, and hamstrings pretty badly, but I'm so grateful it wasn't worse. We were there to snow kite, and thankfully I wasn't too injured to ride. slides are over 100 feet off the ground, which is pretty sketchy to be honest. Thank you for Skydio for bringing me on this awesome project, the Wyoming High Country Lodge for being one of the best places on earth, Phil Matini, Kendall Martin, Joshua Heiner, Justin Kauffman, Anna Tedesco, Jim and Emily, and everybody that made this possible. You guys are amazing. And stay tuned. If you like this video, please drop a comment. Let me know what you thought. If you have any questions, I'd love to answer them for you. And we'll see you on the next one.
You're like, oh, I checked it out.
It's pretty good. It's good to go.
It's good, but I don't need any speed. No speed at all.
What you're gonna want to do is just ease off it.
Ease on off.
Oh, God. Damn.
Holy shit!
My legs.
Oh, God.